how to make latte art in great coffee, good coffee. So of course you're gonna have to go ahead and make a latte. So the recipe for latte is pretty simple. Just go ahead and brew a espresso, but use a larger cup instead of a small glass. Once you're done with that, use the simple method of making an espresso, put it over here, and then pour in some milk for you to froth. So of course we still need this to be perfect. So once you're done frothing your milk, you're gonna be led to this part over here. So just go ahead and trace the lines carefully. In this scenario, I'm not very skilled at doing so, but once you do the lines, that you should be able to get a better and good review from your customers. And once the lines are done, go ahead and press the bell and you should be able to serve it to the customer. So if this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.